Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group. Here we got this 2018 Audi Q5. Just wanted to do a quick video walk around and start it up for you guys. This one has a clean title with 105,000 or 106,000 miles on there. It's also a Premium Plus package, pairs with a lot of nice features on there. It is Quattro, meaning all-wheel drive. Awesome. All right. You also get to enjoy a powered liftgate with this. Really nice space and useful. So if you have utility use, groceries, maybe even kids and want something a little bit smaller, or even pets, I mean, this is very versatile. And this panoramic sunroof really does make a lot of things easier and nicer. Very nice. Now, let's show you guys a bit of the interior. You have leather interior, very nice and clean. Oh, you also get heated seats in the back. Now, this vehicle already has a great sound system, but this one has an upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system, which really is phenomenal, and it's a big upgrade. If you guys like to listen to music, podcasts, or anything like that to start your day, this feature right here can really make things a lot more convenient and enjoyable for you. All right, now let's go ahead and crank it on right quick. Hope you guys can excuse the glare. This one has 106,000 miles on it. Really nice and clean. You also get, of course, navigation, backup camera, heated seats, and plenty of other great features. But for now, we will wrap it up at this. If you guys have any more questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to reach out. I'd be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I certainly hope to meet you guys in person. Bye-bye.